Imingazi abantu abaningi ngenkulumo kaMlisa lana ethi uNelson Mandela lona owaphuma ejele bekuNelson Mandela wefake. Uthi-ke uNelson Mandela wagula kakhulu esibhedlela kangangokuthi wagcine eseshonela khona, okuyilapho-ke bagcina sebeza khona neclone yakhe uNelson Mandela. Okuyiphutha elikhulu-ke abalenza kuze kubonakale futhi ukuthi again uNelson Mandela lo wangampela insumpa, ngoba eyakhe uNelson Mandela yayingakwa-right kodwa bona bayifakanga kwalezi. Ngoba naye uWinnie Madikizela Mandela wabona ukuthi again umuntu wakhe lona. Lokho kwabonakala ngenkathi bethi bayaxoxa bakhumbuzana izinto zakudala.
It's about time. It's about time people should know the truth. People should know the truth now. The old people, they know. Nelson Mandela, the 94 one, the one came on prison later on. It was a fake one. Mandela lo nimaziyo nina abantwana bamanje ama 2000 enifunda ngayo lo wamanje washona manje. I think it was 2011 if I'm not mistaken. That was a clone. The real Madiba vele kade basaba ukuthi ashone because they knew ukuthi kuzoba nenkinga ezoyenzeka once wakushona uMandela, umhlaba uzojikeleza, umhlaba ugubude kwade wonke umuntu, because they respected that guy so much. Mandela uthe makase prison nginitshela into ningayazi, wagula wa-admitwa esibhedlela. It was 1985. It's where uDr zama ukumphilisa uMandela washonela ejele. Mandela is the way beza nani ne-clone. There was some guy called, check out research ngizonsendela khona lama kuma comment. That guy, I think it was a Shona. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, it was a Shona. Bamthatha bamtrainer how to move like Mandela, then bayenza i-plastic surgery as it is. I-mistake was bayenzile yini insumpa kaMandela bengapha ngaku-right, bayifaka ngapha ngaku-left. So they realized that in 94. Then they saw that it's too late to change that. And then the other thing, you know Guti why Winnie Mandela, they never tell anyone about this, but they knew this thing will come out. Okay, waphuma Mandela wajabula wonke umuntu, Winnie Madikizela Mandela wafika ba celebrate. Kwathiwa makase basendlini baloku baxoxa bakhumbuzana into zakudala. Hayi man, umfazi wabona ukuthi lo akusumandela ngimaziyo lo. Then Mandela you contact, Winnie Mandela a contact abafubabo abu Zuma and all stuff, abu Malema babizwa, and then is why people they saw go to K-Sharp. Winnie Mandela realized that, and they remember Winnie Mandela, she was so powerful. Guti angachincha umhlaba in 1 minute, that lady. Okay, Sharp. Wazama ukuthi okay Sharp ukuthi yabona ukuthi abantu sibahippie kangakanani and all stuff ukuthi uMandela ubuyile. Yes, we tried. Siyenzile ne video nokuthi uMandela kadagule sinothe ukuthi simbulele and all stuff. Siyacela na isigidigidi semali bambani imali nina eniphakathi kwaParliament. And then number 2, after this thing nizoba ama president one by one ukuthi nifundile as long nikenaba ku struggle and niyazi indaba kaMandela nizoba ama president one by one. Yaqhubeka kanjalo le ndaba le. Yaqhubeka kanjalo. So, you know ukuthi futhi enye into kwayenzakala baphinda bamkhumbuza uWinnie Mandela bathi yakhumbula ukuthi enye into bongayikhuluma lento le. Wena wabulala uStompie wena. There was a short guy called Stompy. Now in history abamvezi kakhulu, and that guy was supposed to be history yakhe bokumele iphumelele njengabo wabona ngathi sine youth league, youth day and all stuff. That guy was supposed to be celebrated. Okay, sasiphezu kwale ndaba. You know futhi why babulale uChrizane. Chrizane he didn't never agree. Katangavumi. Angafuna ukuvuma total ngale ndaba le yokuthi yena mela likhuluma iqiniso ufuna ukukhuluma ukuthi uMandela ukuphi waphele lapho watshela lo baba lo umlungu lo wacula lo wakhipha le ngoma ethi asembona oMandela thina laphe khona laphe fili khona. Yeah, that song was released, and then that song was too powerful. They even paid that white guy. Please close your mouth. Nice kitty semali. Did that guy release again? No. Phili life efensi phezulu. One hit, reach, same time. So phezulu, awusaquli. So we history. Come on guys, think about it. Okay, uKhrizana babona ukuthi this is a threat. Bambulala uKhrizana. They saw people were angry. Babona ukuthi hey nalo bhunu limbulele wazini. Brame sakuqela ifamily yakho izoba rich. Sicela ukuthi uvele uboshwe nje. Uyohlala iminyaka just uboshwe si police South Africa. Waboshwa lo mlungu lo. And then sikhuluma kanje manje 2025 uphume, I think if I'm not mistaken uphume 2023 or 2024 ejele, and sakagugile manje lo mlungu lo, and sakayakhuluma ukuthi ukhulumile unayo interview yakhuluma ukuthi uze kanjani bam appoint ababulala uMandela kanjani and all stuff. Sakayakhuluma zonke lezi zinto lezi. So mina I need you guys to realize ukuthi the one that person was fighting for us, it was long ago dead. Washona kudala. Mandela washona kudala. Yes naye lo omshona wabo bamcreateile. Yes siyambonga cause ukhonile ku controller kwaba ne control eSouth Africa, understand? Abalungu nabantu abamnyama bazwana but azange bazwane fandiwana cause even now it's 2025 i-racist itsasekhona, and that thing will never end because these people abafuna ukuthi sibe normal nabo, sibe standard siwane, sibe mehlomane. If they see the black person and unemali over bona, they bakuthumela ngeSARS.